Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I want to demonstrate Packet Tracer Activity 9.4.1.4 Routing Table Principles. Our objective, we're going to recognize three important routing principles. A router makes decisions based on the information in the routing table. If one router has a complete routing table, does not mean other routers have the same information. Routing information about a path from one network to another does not provide routing information about the reserved to return path. So our step one, determine why PC1 cannot successfully ping PC3. We're going to ping PC3 from PC1. And we're going to note that there's not going to be successful ping rate on there. So PC1, we're going to command prompt, and we're going to ping. So PC1 is 192.168, and we want to ping PC3. So that's 192.168.4.4.10. Nope, unreachable. Just as I mentioned, it's not going to happen. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to enter a static route on receiver 1 or R1 for the destination network 192.168.4.0. This is going to be fun right here. So enable Cisco, right? All right, so let's go and enable. Let's try to use a password. 123, nothing. Cisco, nothing. Let's try Cisco 123 again. Nothing. Okay, so looks like I'm not given any passwords to enter in here. So we're just going to have to find a way around this. That's going to be a lot easier. So let's exit out of this junk. We're going to go to config, static. We're going to type in the network 192.168.4.0. Subnet 255.255.255.0. And our next route is 192.168.2.2. That's going to be our next hop within the routing table that we have that I'm able to look at. So let's just add this. Let me just give you a little brief demonstration on this little our addressing tables. So we're on, I believe it was R1, yes, R1. That's our IP address, subnet, same old, same old. But it wants to go to number R2, which is that right there. Fast Ethernet 0/0 within the R2. Unfortunately, I can't do this in the command line interface, so we're just going to cheat this way. Unless they give me a password, so. Okay, let's go to R3. CLI, password. Cisco. Oh, great, that works. Enable. Oh no, another password. Let's try Cisco 123. Nothing. No, I'm just going to save us the heartache and try whatever. It's not going to happen that way. So let's go back to static. Our network. Our network for R3 is 192.168.1.0, and I am not typing anything. 255.255.255.0. Now, it didn't give me the next hop, which should be the next downline on the table, but you know what? It doesn't want to do it that way. Okay, so that's not a problem. Let's see if we can go to CLI. All right, we've just bypassed that password right there, which is garbage since why would they want to give me a password? Well, not give me a password and let me do it this way. I just think Cisco likes to make me sweat a little bit and try to get creative. So let's get creative. So let's IP route 192.168.1.0.255.255.255.0 and 00/0/1 0/0/0. Oh, excuse me, 1. Enter. Exit. And then that. Run. Perfect. Okay, now let's just check our results. I've got a bunch of stuff right here, and I'm a little upset about this whole password thing. So if they don't want me to get through that way, we won't go through that other procedure. So I'm checking my results. Get out of this interface. Oh, congratulations, we have successfully made 2 static routes. So this concludes this activity, Packet Tracer 9.4.1.4 Routing Table Principles. And if anybody could tell me the passwords, I could have done this a lot easier and I would not have to have been so frustrated. Thank you and have a great day.